Hey everyone, and welcome back to another track day video. This event was the SpeedFreaksUSA Challenge season opener at Laguna Seca, and it was a really eventful day. As you might have noticed, the weather was beautiful and it was definitely PB weather. What made the event so fun was the S2000 time attack battle for the SpeedFreaksUSA S4 class. I knew the competition was going to be tight because I would be competing against the record holder for the fastest stock Honda S2000 lap around Laguna Seca. A year ago, Nate set the unofficial record with a 144.6, and this time he was back with Öhlins TTX, a square wheel set, and the brand new Nankang CR1s. So I knew he was a threat. The first session was filled with traffic and was a complete mess. Somehow Nate was able to put down a 142.6, while I was only able to put down a 143.4. Not looking great, but I knew I could put down a faster lap with some more clean laps. The second session went much smoother. With little traffic, I was able to put down a 142.5. Somehow Nate went out in the wrong session, so at this point I was ahead of him by about a tenth of a second, but I knew he could go much faster, so I was worried. The only issue with this session is that my brakes started to feel strange, like the first few inches of pedal travel didn't really do anything, but I knew that my fluid wasn't boiled. Once I got home, I realized that I had bent the backing plates on the Raybestos ST-47s, just like I did on the Raybestos ST-43s. The brake pedal wasn't ideal, but I could work with it. During the dedicated and final time attack session, they graded us by lap time, so I was sitting right in front of Nate. I knew Nate could go faster, but I was skeptical how much faster I could go since the track was getting pretty hot. Nate and I both set personal best during our second hot lap. I put down a 142.06 and Nate put down a 142.49. We battled the whole session, and honestly there is nothing more fun than sparring with another skilled driver. After the challenge was over, Nate and I swapped cars and he put down a 142.9 in my car. The guy is a maniac with immense car control.